to anyone to get started with engineering applications related to any IoT or industrial, so they don't need any prior knowledge. So they can just get started with just dragging and dropping the components. So here if you see, I can just drag these components like this, and which will automatically filter out all the peripherals that can be connected. So based on this, so it will also auto suggest where to place the components as well. So this is how Quick Connect has made students easy to build their application, build their own applications. So we have seen students who had come up with some solutions like crowd density monitoring, wildfire detection, and here we have GSSS students who are working on the BMS as well. So to anyone to enable to embedded world, so here we have our solution.
My name is Purti.
My name is Sridevi Katia.
We are from GSSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. So the Quick Connect boards were handed over to us by the Renesas team. We were asked to build a solution out of it, and we have come up with an intelligent active thermal control system. So when we started looking into the Renesas kits, yeah, of course, we thought it's going to be really hard for us to, configure the BMS, a project which we're working on, and the MCU because it's a new exposure. But then the Quick Connect Studio as well as the documents, the Renesas MCU documents made it seem effortless because we were able to configure the peripherals of the MCUs and use the stacks on the software part of it really easily, and that's how we were able to build up working prototype of the solution which we thought we could build. Yeah.
That's all. Like get into a problem statement. We selected a real-time problem statement that is based on like two-wheelers. Like where in two-wheelers we are actually using the air cooling system. In our proposed solution, we are using a replaced with liquid cooling system. So how will it work means the liquid cooling system works as we immerse the lithium ion batteries inside a container where it filled with the dielectric coil, and the thermal management can be done with the liquid cooling system.
Here we were able to build a working prototype of a solution which we thought of, and for a student to build with such a powerful Renesas MCU was we didn't think it was a dream come true for us as well. Thanks to the team and thanks to our college, GSSS college, for this wonderful opportunity and exposure to the industry level MCU. Thank you.